Now look where Topper's gone. He likes his ceiling fan ride sometimes. He flies up there and makes it go around. Topper, what are you doing? As you can see by some of my videos, I have a very obnoxious cockatiel. Oh, what are you doing? He's so funny, isn't he? Should we leave him up there or get him down? It's dusty up there. Ew. Topper, what are you doing up there? Ah, here's a good view. I think if we leave him up there, he'll eventually fly down. He might get hungry or thirsty. He's talking to the ceiling fan. It's his friend. What are you saying? That's a fine predicament you got yourself into this time. You are one silly bird. What are you doing? You're not content with just sitting on Mama today, are you? You have to be on me. Come here, Topper. Step up. Well, I don't think there's room for me up there. Is that funny? Topper, the ceiling fan isn't going to talk back to you. Hey, no matter how much you peck it. He's just talking to the ceiling fan like it's alive. Now he's laughing. What are you laughing at? Who said birds didn't have a sense of humor? Topper can laugh. Laugh, Topper. Just step up, step up. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's about the highest place you can get around here. What are you doing? I'm not the one sitting on a ceiling fan. Bye, Topper.